A Delta Airbus A330-900 suffered a bird strike in its starboard engine shortly after departure. Condor Airbus A330-900 executes an extreme wing wave during a delivery flight. California Air National Guard C-130J pilot battles the Palisades fire in action-packed footage. Air Canada Boeing 777-300ER kicks up a massive snow cloud during a winter takeoff. A private jet pilot nearly causes disaster after failing to hold short, taxiing onto the runway just as a Delta A321 powers up for takeoff.
Stop.
Ooh.
1346, travel across downfield, runway 24 left.
Wow. American Airlines 737 MAX battles crosswind, aborts landing for go-around. Japan Airlines, A350-900 makes a dramatic late turn onto final approach. Here's how the Boeing 777-300's massive landing gear doors work on the ground.